Hey, what's up everybody? I haven't been able to make a video in a while because I had to move and I'm still trying to figure out the new setup and how to do all that. But in the meantime, I thought I'd start a quick video. I don't know if I can get all this in one video or not, but the plan is as follows. This is my table that I have had for quite some time. This is from IKEA, and I built Lego window walls sort of around in the front. I had a piece of glass cut to be up top, but none of this is glued or anything. The glass really just sits on top. I can show you right here. These are the figs that I put in here. It all started out as a cool idea, and I was like, but it would be dope. They're all raising their hand because I thought I could make it look like they're holding the glass, but that wasn't quite the case like that. But I still like the idea, and I love that little table like that. So I figured, why not make them all uniform? And that is why I got, whoa, Jesus, sorry, about 700 orange space guys. So these are the legs, the gas tanks, the torsos, and the helmets, and a bunch of smiley faces. That is the idea. Trying to put together these figs. I actually don't even exactly know how many figs are in here. I also, back in the days, spray painted the base plate white because there was no such thing as a white base plate, which now exists, but it's also, I think, the smaller one, so I still probably keep the ones that I have right now. But regardless, I will now, some way or another, start putting together 700 of these guys. As quick as possible. I don't even know where I would want to put them once they're done. I'll toss them over there. The goal is I'll have them all in here super nicely lined up, almost like stormtroopers, just not stormtroopers because I grew up in the 80s and space was my jam. Pun intended. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Yeah, why not? Learning on the job. This is how it should be. So, leg, torso. Yeah, definitely going to be more than one video. Probably also just going to do this all over time. Who cares? I mean, who wants to see someone put together 700? I think I guesstimated it once to be like 550 or so in this little mini sort of display case. Once I have the final number, I will update, but right now, this is what I got. Essentially, these guys that I currently have in my table are just placeholders. Always have been just placeholders. They're what I call like Trader Joe's, or figures that are either already in my collection or still need to be identified, or one way or another. I don't care as much about them as I do about all the other figs that I have assimilated into my collection with a Bricklink ID and a little baggie for it and stuff like that. So these are just sort of randos. I have hundreds, probably rather thousands of them for parts when I sit there at night and when I'm identifying torsos and starting to assimilate old school figures into my collection. It's always like an open construction site, if you will, because there's always something that could be sort of added to it. And so if you're as dumb as I am and collect every single minifigure in existence, then it's just such a wide field to find figs for, to assimilate figs and to learn all the different themes and torso designs and discontinued, still active, whatnot. So that is why I have so many random figs, because I can't keep up. Lately I've been diving into a more rare to extremely rare minifigure kind of I don't know, rampage almost on eBay and via Instagram. I found a bunch of really cool rather rare minifigs. I just got my last rebrickable one, Mr. Rebrick. So I got the competition winner one. So probably going to make a video about that guy soon. But like I said, I don't even have any sort of setup. I had to move a bunch of stuff around here to just make this happen. But what can I say? I miss making videos. It's been fun. It's been cool to see you guys' reaction to it. And just got the 700 freaking space guys. So it'd be stupid if I wouldn't make a video about it. My God, it's so cute. Wasn't sure about the color at the beginning, but then again, you know, we really get an updated color on the space guide. Oh my God, it's gonna take forever, but super worth it. I've seen a bunch of guys so excited on Instagram about these orange guys. Seen people posting it with all the other figs they have with it. I think that book in which this fig comes out in was released today or yesterday or something, depending on when I finish this video. Anyways, I'm just gonna probably cut now and assemble the rest offsite. See you in the next one.